Hello YouTube, today I am back fixing my Fusion. As you can see, I got all the body mostly straightened out. When I was pressing the body back, I used a wooden board that I put across the trunk and used the scissor jack. It worked pretty well except for the board twisting some of the body inside. So now I'm putting this car back together. I already have the bumper on. Now I'm making sure everything fits properly. I put in the interior pieces for the trunk. The piece that covers the latch is damaged a little bit from the crash, so I will need to find a new one if I want it to look nice. I did have to replace both of the taillights. I got one from the same place I got the trunk and bumper, and the other one I got from a salvage yard for $80. And except for all the push pins and the interior light, the trunk is done. Now the exhaust twisted and cracked a little bit in the wreck, so I'm trying to straighten it out.
There.
And I just broke the exhaust.
Broke my tailpipe off.
Oh, you serious?
I'm serious.
The body came out pretty close. I was working on getting the trunk lid to match up better.
My trunk has a big gap on this side. I'm inside the trunk right now. This over here is the driver's side. This is the passenger side. Here is the weather stripping for the trunk. Now, everywhere over here, there's even pressure. Over here it gets tighter. Over here, I can't put my finger through that at all. Try it on the passenger side. Up the trunk. It's good. Here it's tight too. And here it's loose. Right down here. So I think this is the problem on the driver's side, right over here. So try to bend that in a little bit.
And this is the result as far as panel gaps. It's pretty much perfect over here. However, there is a little bit of a gap on this end. And on the other side, it is a little bit high. So after I put the body back on, I gave it an oil change and then I washed it. And after that, it is pretty much finished. It does still need some clips for the inner fenders and under the bumper, but this is the finished product, and this is now a fully functional car. After the price of the parts and what I did for labor, this was way cheaper than what it would have cost if I bought this used. It does have a few minor things. There's a scrape on the front bumper and the fender, and this on the quarter panel is just glue from the tape that I had to keep the bumper on temporarily. So thank you guys for watching. I do plan on fixing some other cars sometime in the future, so be sure to subscribe to my channel.